Cooking doesn't need to be stressful. It doesn't need complicated recipes, and it definitely doesn't need to steal hours of your life every week. What if a few smart kitchen gadgets could quietly remove the slowest, most annoying parts of cooking, chopping, stirring, measuring, cleaning, without changing how you cook at all? Today, I'm breaking down the top time-saving kitchen gadgets that actually make cooking faster. And as always, I've placed the best deal links in the description below so you can grab the lowest prices before they change. If you cook even a few times a week, these tools will save you hours every month. Let's jump straight in. Number 1. Electric vegetable chopper. This instantly removes the most time-consuming part of cooking, chopping. Instead of spending minutes cutting onions, tomatoes, carrots, or peppers, you drop them in, press a button, and you're done in seconds. No cutting board mess, no uneven pieces, no watery eyes from onions. It's perfect for busy weekdays when you just want to get food on the stove fast. Number 2. Garlic rocker press. Garlic slows everything down. Peel it, slice it, smash it, wash your hands 5 times. This gadget skips all of that. You place the clove, rock it once, and perfectly crushed garlic drops out. No sticky fingers, no garlic smell lingering all day. It's small, fast, and you'll use it almost daily without thinking about it. Number 3. Automatic pan stirrer. Some foods need constant stirring, and standing over a pan doing nothing but stirring is a massive time drain. This gadget stirs automatically while you prep other ingredients. You're no longer stuck babysitting the stove. You move faster without rushing. Number 4. Clip-on pot strainer. Draining pasta or vegetables usually means grabbing a colander and risking spills. This clips directly onto your pot. You tilt, drain, and you're done. No transferring hot food, no splashing boiling water everywhere, no extra dish to wash. Once you use it, it feels obvious.
Number 5. Oil spray mister. Pouring oil is one of the easiest ways to overdo it. This gives you a fine, even spray every time. You use less oil, you coat pans evenly, you avoid greasy food. It's faster than measuring and cleaner than pouring. Those first 5 are instant wins. They shave off seconds here and minutes there. But now we're moving into the real time savers. Number 6. Digital kitchen scale. This removes guessing completely. Instead of using multiple measuring cups, you place your bowl on the scale and add ingredients directly. It's faster, more accurate, and it means fewer dishes to wash. Once you start using a scale, measuring feels outdated. Number 7. Silicone heat-resistant spatulas. These handle everything. Stirring, scraping, flipping, mixing. They don't melt. They don't scratch pans. They scrape bowls clean in seconds. That means fewer tools and smoother cooking. Number 8. Adjustable measuring cups. Instead of owning 5 different cups, this does it all. You slide to the measurement you need, scoop, and push. It levels ingredients automatically and saves drawer space. Small upgrade, big time saver. Number 9. Multi-blade herb scissors. Chopping herbs can feel endless. These scissors cut herbs into perfect pieces with just a few snips. No cutting board, no knife, no wasted leaves. Fast, clean, and surprisingly satisfying. Number 10. Magnetic measuring spoons. These stick together neatly instead of getting lost. They fit easily into spice jars. They stay organized and you grab the right size instantly. Less searching, more cooking. Number 11. Collapsible mixing bowls. Big bowls slow you down when your kitchen feels cluttered. These expand when you need them and collapse when you don't. They're lightweight, quick to clean, and easy to store. Perfect for fast prep sessions. Number 12. Rapid egg cooker. Boiling eggs sounds easy, but timing them perfectly isn't. This cooks eggs consistently every time. Soft-boiled, medium, hard-boiled. You press a button and walk away. Number 13. Silicone air fryer liners. Cleaning the air fryer basket kills momentum. These liners catch grease, crumbs, and spills. You lift them out, rinse, and you're done. Less cleanup means faster meals overall. Number 14. Hands-free bag holder. This holds storage bags open while you pour or fill them. No more juggling bags with one hand. Perfect for freezing leftovers or meal prepping. It removes a surprisingly annoying step. Number 15, titanium cutting board. This isn't your usual cutting board. It's ultra durable, stain resistant, and doesn't absorb odors. You prep faster because you don't worry about damage or deep cleaning afterward. And there you have it, the top kitchen gadgets that actually save time every single day. None of these change how you cook. They simply remove friction, less chopping, less cleaning, less guessing, and more enjoying your food. All the best deal links are in the description below. If you love smart product breakdowns that actually improve daily life, hit like, subscribe, and comment which gadget you'd use first.